अस्सलाम वालेकुम एवरीबॉडी। आज की हमारी स्टार डिश है cinnamon French toast. So let's begin. You will be needing eggs, vanilla essence, butter, cinnamon powder, sugar, salt, milk and 6 slices of bread. अगर आप कम बनाना चाहते हैं तो सिंपली सारे इंग्रेडिएंट्स की क्वांटिटी हाफ कर दें. Let's prepare the cinnamon butter spread. In 3 tablespoons of butter, add 1 tablespoon cinnamon powder and 1.5 tablespoons of sugar and mix well. Butter should be at room temperature. Mix well till butter becomes soft and spreadable. There you go, it's ready. Now we will prepare cinnamon coating mix. In 3 tablespoons of sugar, add 1 tablespoon cinnamon powder and simply mix. And put it aside. Lastly, the egg dip. In 2 eggs, add a pinch of salt, half teaspoon vanilla essence and half cup milk and beat it well. You can remove the edges of the bread if you want to. Now spread the cinnamon butter that you prepared on 1 slice of bread. If you are sugar conscious but still want to enjoy cinnamon French toast, you can completely skip this step and I'll tell you later in the video how to make those without this step. Now place the other slice on top. Then dip the slices in the egg mix thoroughly and make sure all the sides and corners are also dipped. Heat 2 tablespoons of oil in a pan. I use grill pan because I like the lines that appear on the slices. You can use a regular frying pan. Cook till all the sides are golden. Now for all those who want to skip the cinnamon butter spread part, they can easily dip 1 slice of bread in the egg mix and then coat it with the cinnamon sugar. By this method, the cinnamon flavor will be very mild, but at least it will help to cut down on the sugar. Our cinnamon French toast is ready and you can see the sides as well. Now it's time to coat the cinnamon French toast with some cinnamon sugar. This is such a yummy breakfast dish that once you make it, you will be forced to say, Kamal. If you have any questions or feedback to share, please feel free to do so in the comments. Thank you.